have to stop filming the time lapses. I apologise, but that's just the weather here in Tenerife today. The weather is pretty gusty. It's a gusty day to be on the road. See you later. All over the place.
I'd love to see you smile again. Your eyes light up the room. Feel the sunny days caress our skin when we begin to fall. All the white was fading out to the void.
So this morning, with my trusty trailer, I brought with me 120 tiles from Benjamin's farm. Remember, Benjamin is our finca friend, and you can see a video about him in the playlist. Hopefully there'll be enough tiles there to finish this part of the roof. So what I have to do is I have to take all of these tiles and get them up onto that wall up there, ready to go onto the roof. So let's start. Repeat 30 times. Well, I'm sure you get the idea, and I'll save myself the battery. Three casualties in the wagon, 120 on the roof, 4 down here, and 7 needed cleaning. That's 131 tiles to complete the job. Good morning. Today it's Wednesday and I stayed at the farm last night, so it's a fresh morning, a fresh start, and I've got a confession to make. I f***ed up. Here, this part of the roof has not been well laid. Apart from the fact that it's been done with all the spare tiles, you can see the ones that are broken there and the different coloured ones. I had to resort to sticking the tiles with foam. This obviously doesn't have a good long-term future. And so this morning I'm going to be taking up some of the rows of tiles here and over there and replacing them with these new tiles that I got from Benjamin. They're not new, of course, they're recycled, but they're undamaged and all of the same type. And I'm going to be relaying that part of the roof, hopefully with more success. So keep an eye on me as I work up here on my own. Thanks. So let me explain what we've done. Basically, I've taken all of these tiles off. I've put a double row instead of a single, so as to fit the tile better. I know that it's not a proper fix, but it's one that is very practical and works fine. So now these tiles are all sitting comfortably on the roof, and I'm now going to be going across the roof in typewriter style, across from one side to the other. So let's get cracking with that. And that is what you call a new roof. Would you like to see it by drone? Of course you would. Let's get the drone up.